Good day everyone, you're welcome to Card Baron. Today I'll be doing a little design on a pipe nipple. As you can see, I'm doing a little design on a pipe nipple using SolidWorks. So this particular model was done using SolidWorks from the start to the end. I can show you the basics. From here, sketch, features, come to sketch again, extrude cuts, fillets, chamfer, helix and spiral, sketch, helix and spiral, cut, then you mirror. So please, let's see how we can get this done. Ctrl N, parts, okay. Go to right plane, sketch. The first thing I'll do, I'll go to my cycle. I'll click on the cycle. I go over it again. Go to cycle. I click on the cycle. I expand. Come here. Come to this point. Dimension it 19. After doing that, I'll go to features. Click on extrude boss. I'll make it 25. I'll use a direction of mid plane. So this is how it's supposed to appear. After doing this, so you can look bright. I've been able to get this done, as you can see. Next thing, watch. Use the right plane again. Since I want the polygon to be in the center, click on sketch. Come here. Polygon with 6 sides. So let's assume I mistakenly do something like this. I'll click on this. I'll click on this. I click horizontal. I'll have something like this. Then the next thing is our dimension. From this point to this point, I'll dimension it as 25. Check. I'll rotate mouse, features, extrude boss. The thickness is going to be 5. Here I see 25. Come here and input 5. I should have something like this. So I've been able to get this, as you can see. I've been able to get this job done. But the next thing is, I'll come here, click here, sketch. I want to produce the same line. I'll click here, I'll click on convert entity. And I'll click offset entity. I'll click here. Then the thickness is 1.50. Then I'll click on reverse. Check. I have double lines with the thickness. I'll go to trim entity. I'll click here, move it a little, and remove that. Then I'll go to features. I should have something like this. Extrude cut. I'll click on through all like this, so it appears like this. As you can see, I'll check. Now I've been able to get something like this. Now I'll go to fillet. I'll come here, click here, go the other side, come here, click here. Thickness is 1. As you can see now, I'll check. I should have something like this. And the next thing, chamfer. Drop down arrow, I'll click on chamfer. Now I'll click here. Come to the other side. Come here again, I'll zoom in. And I'll click here. 0.5. Click here. I've been able to get this done now. So what's the next thing I'll do? I'll click here and click on sketch. I should have something. I'll just bend it a little. So I'll click here and I'll click on convert entity. Then after doing that, and I click on features, I come to this part, I click on ellipse and spiral, I impute my dimension, pitch 2.0 and radius 4.75, diameter 19, height is 9.5. I've been able to get this. I'll check. After doing this now, I've gotten this. As you can see, I just need to do this side, then I'll mirror it to this direction here. No need for me to do the same procedure. I'll come to this point, use a front plane, I'll click on sketch. I have something like this now. Zoom in. I'll use this, do something like this. My lines. Then I'll zoom in properly so you can see it. I come here, center line. I click on this point and I click here. This should be vertical. Then dimension from here to this side, I'll make it 70. Then what is the height from this point to this is 1. Then I'll just move it. Since it's not fixed, I'll move it like this. Just move it, then I'll have something like this. Then after I'm done with that, I should have to just rotate it a little just to confirm. I'll click here, check. Next thing, I'll go to sweep cut. This side is already clicked. Come to the part. This is the part it has to follow. I click here. This is the part it has to follow. You see this. Then I check. You have something like this. Now I've been able to do this on this side. I don't need to go through the procedure of doing it here again. So what do? I use the right plane because there must be a reference. Then features to mirror. Come here. Click here. As you can see now, I check. So I've been able to get something like this. And you see this line, I don't want to see it, so I'll just click on it, click hide. I've been able to get this job done. Then what's the next thing to do? Click here, just click on the parts, click here, just put a material that I'm comfortable with. There's it. So, okay guys, we have been able to do a pipe nipple on SolidWorks. So please guys, please like and subscribe, and also try to share. All you have to do is to practice. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it also. So please guys, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.